Hello and welcome to the series of Advanced English Vocabulary for Sure Success in CSS, PMS, PCS, UPSC and other competitive exams. Today is the 10th video of the series. So let's get started. The first word in the row is alluvial, alleviate, A-L-L-E-V-I-A-T-E, alleviate. Alleviate is a verb. The usage of alleviate is alleviate something means to make something less severe. Urdu meaning is halka karna, kam karna. The sentences will explain the meaning. So let's look at the sentences. To alleviate suffering means to make sufferings less. To make the effect of suffering less. The second sentence is a number of measures were taken to alleviate the problem. Means the measures were being taken to make the problem less severe, or to solve the problem, or to make the effect of problem less severe. The next word is alloy, A-L-L-O-Y. Alloy is a noun. The meaning is a metal that is formed by mixing two types of metal together or by mixing metal with another substance. Means a metal is made by two different types of substances. The Urdu meaning is मुख्तलिफ धातुओं का मुरक्कब. Sentence is brass is an alloy of the copper and zinc. Now look at the example. It is a brass which is a metal. It is made up of copper and zinc. So we call brass an alloy. The next word is allude. A-L-L-U-D-E. Allude is a verb. The usage is allude to somebody something. It is a phrasal verb. The meaning is to mention something in an indirect way. इशारे किनारे में कहना. Example is the problem had been alluded to briefly in earlier discussion. So take a pause and think that the problem is mentioned briefly in earlier discussion in an indirect way. Here is allude. The next word is allure. A-L-L-U-R-E. Allure is a noun. The meaning is the quality of being attractive and exciting. Lubhana, moh lena. Sentences are, the first sentence is the allure of the big city. Means attractive qualities of a big city. The country has lost its allure as a destination for foreign investment. Means now foreign investors are not interested in investing in the country because it lost its attractiveness. The next word is alluvial. A-L-L-U-V-I-A-L. Alluvial is a noun. The meaning is made of a sand and earth that is left by rivers or floods. दरियाई, सैलाबी मिट्टी या वो चीज़ें जो सैलाब और दरिया ने छोड़ी हों. जुमला है alluvial deposits, alluvial soil, alluvial plains. The next word is alms. A-L-M-S. Here is L is silent. The meaning is money, clothes or food that are given to poor people. खैरात और खुदा के नाम पे दी हुई चीज़ we call it alms. This word is used in Islamic studies of CSS paper of Islamic studies. Khairat in the portion of zakat. The next word is aloof. A-L-L-A-L-O-O-F. Aloof is an adjective. The meaning is not friendly or interested in other people. Be-taluk, alag-thalag. Example is she stayed aloof while the argument went on her around. Means when everybody was arguing around her, she remained silent. and this word is very famous. Aloofness from politics. Sir Sayyid Ahmad Khan advised Muslim do not participate in politics, rather remain aloof from politics and concentrate on their education. The synonyms are distant and remote. Here is an addition of the idiom. Keep or hold yourself aloof, or remain or stand aloof. These are idioms. The meaning is to not become involved in something or to not show interest in people. Example is, emperor kept himself aloof from the people, means the emperor, the ruler, was not interested in meeting people. The next word is aloft. A-L-O-F-T. Aloft is a verb, is an adverb. The meaning is higher in the air. ऊपर की तरफ ऊंचा, यानी हवा में किसी चीज को रोके रखना. Example is, she held the glass aloft. She held the glass aloft. मतलब उसने जो गिलास को ऊपर हवा में रोके रखा. The next word is altercation. A-L-T-E-R-C-A-T-I-O-N. Altercation is a noun. Meaning is a noisy argument or disagreement. झगड़ा और बहस, तकरार. Example is, a youth became involved in an altercation with a police officer over a parking ticket. Means a young boy or youth was arguing noisily with police over a traffic parking ticket. Last but not the least is altruistic. A-L-T-R-U-I-S-T-I-C. Altruistic is an adjective. The meaning is very clear: caring about the needs and happiness of other people more than your own. Belos khidmat, fayazana, jazba, isar, amez. The phrase is altruistic behavior, means his behavior is caring and he care for needs and happiness of other people. So this was the vocabulary of the day. I hope you are enjoying the video.